What's up, everybody? Brett here. Just showing y'all this chair that I just bought, the RSP-900. I guess I could talk to you quickly about how it works, my impressions, and how to put it together, because I've read reviews that say it's difficult. I didn't find it difficult at all. The base is a one piece. The little stud at the bottom there just kind of plops right into the base, and then the bottom seat portion goes on top of the stud, right? From there, you got to put the back on it. And that's where it gets a little difficult. There's two of the biggest bolts. You got to unzip this zipper right there, and it goes in there through a I don't know, some kind of tube with a hole in it. And then these little studs are attached to the back of the chair. So you got to get those screws in through the side and into the studs there. Forgive the lighting. Let's see if I can get a decent angle on this. There's at the bottom of the chair, the back piece, there's a single thing with a hole in it, like a slat. And then the base of the chair has two. So the base of the chair is two, this has one, so they have to fit and line up like that. So you just kind of have to line it up and then get a little bit inside of both of those and then tighten it all down. The bottom, it's a nut and a bolt. You just tighten all of that down and then it's pretty much set up. All you have to do is put the armrest in it. There's a bracket that goes on top of the base. You screw that down and then the arm piece, the arm rest mounts to the bracket. It's kind of a goal shape kind of a deal, and this has to be mounted on the inside. That confused me for about 45 seconds, but once I figured it out, it was super easy. And then I thought my chair was broken because I couldn't get the back piece to decline. So with this, you just pull this out and then the back moves freely, and then this operates the footrest portion. But it's pretty easy. I'm 5'10", and the pillow fits perfectly in the crook of my neck. So it's pretty easy. I just wanted something light and easy to get out of the way. I'm probably gonna remove those bean bags over there and just stick it in that corner when I want it, plop it in the middle of my living room, play my Xbox and my new 3080, and rock out. But you can see 5'10". It's kind of nice too, because you know, having the footrest where it hits the bottom of your ankles can sometimes put pressure on them. You kind of want your feet to hang over a little bit. I think if you're under 6 foot, you'll be fine. I read a lot of reviews that made me believe you need to be 4'6" to fit in this thing, and it's not the case. Anyways, little review. Y'all have a good day. Bye.